Hi everyone, my name is Addie Gundry and I'm a formally trained chef, but more importantly, I'm a new mom, and I wanted to make baby food. So I took a look at what was out there and found these two different machines, and I want to walk through the differences and show you how the Baby Brezza One-Step Food Maker Deluxe is by far much easier than the Beaba Baby Cook. So what we're gonna do is take the exact same thing, frozen peas, and make a puree. I'm gonna show you the different steps for each machine and tell you why the Baby Brezza is by far the easiest way to make baby food from scratch. So let's get started. So with my Baby Brezza machine, I filled the water tank and I'm ready to put my peas in. All I have to do, take the lid off, put the peas in, close it up, press the button with the steam and blend feature, press start and walk away. Now, let me show you the Beaba Baby Cook. What we need to do is fill the water tank with the appropriate amount of water for each recipe. So for peas, the instruction manual says to fill it up to the number 3. We're gonna pour this in. And then we need to steam the peas before we blend them. So unlike the Baby Brezza, which is a one-step machine where it steams and blends, we need to steam the peas in the basket. We're gonna close this and press the steam button. Once the peas are done steaming, we need to remove them from the basket in order to puree them. So we're gonna use this spatula and pick it up because the basket is really hot. With our spatula, we're gonna pour this in, but careful, it's hot. Close it up, and then turn the knob to blend. As you can see, there are many different steps to create a basic pea puree in our Beaba Baby Cook, but right over here, the Baby Brezza One-Step Food Maker has steamed and pureed the peas in just one step. The Baby Brezza has a lot of other advantages. This water tank is easy to remove and fill, and I can see the steam tank, which makes it really easy to clean. Over here at the Beaba, we can't actually remove the water tank because it's all connected, so I'd have to go to the sink holding it. I also can't find my steam tank in there, which makes it a little hard to clean. And my favorite part, the Baby Brezza also comes with 3 reusable food pouches and filling funnels, so you can store your food and take it on the go. As you can see, the choice is clear. It is so much easier to make delicious purees at home with the Baby Brezza One-Step Food Maker Deluxe. Have fun.